some, not all of this information is fictional. The creators of this film did some research, but couldn't be self-sufficient the rest. This is perfectly legal. They did not specify anywhere that information included in this film is not fiction.
Here, in the calm forest of Waitara Bay, there are many native and non-native plants. Indeed, it is a small forest, but nonetheless, there are extraordinary and amazing species in abundance among these parts. This, for example, is a tall Canadian bush tree, a non-native plant in New Zealand that has been here for over a century. Now, onto some native plants. This way. This here is a native manuka tree. It's easily recognizable by its seemingly shredded bark. Now, most of this is dead bark, so let's take a closer look. These little black dots resemble rotting wood, so you can easily distinguish between alive and dead bark. From the earliest human habitation in New Zealand by the Maori people around 800 or 1000 years ago, the manuka tree plant, Leptospermum scoparium, was known to have special medicinal and therapeutic properties. The Maori people used the leaves and bark for a wide range of ailments, including urinary problems and to reduce fever. This plant that looks like overgrown grass actually has potent and herb-like abilities. This mosquito bite would be a perfect test for the healing abilities they possess. In a few days, this will have healed perfectly. Thank you for watching David Attenborough's Private Life of Plants. Here, in the calm forest of Waitara Bay, there are many native and non-native plants. Nonetheless,
Stop.
In the calm,
Yep.
Here, in the calm forest of Waitara Bay, there are many native and non-native plants.
Shit, I stuffed it up.
Here, in the calm forest of Waitara Bay, there are many native and non-native plants. Indeed, it is a small forest, but nonetheless, there are extraordinary and amazing plants. Here, in the calm forest of Waitara Bay, there are many native and non-native plants. Indeed, there are extraordinary. Here, in the calm forest of Waitara Bay, there are many native and non-native plants. Indeed, here, in the calm forest of Waitara Bay, there are many native and non-native plants. Indeed, it is a small forest, but nonetheless, they are extraordinary and amazing in abundance Here, in the calm forest of Waitaria Bay, there are many native and non-native plants. Itchy, itchy, itchy. This, for example, is a tall Canadian bush tree. This, for example, is a These little black dots.
Flat hand.
From the earliest human habitation of New Zealand by the Maori people about 800 or 1,000 years ago, the Majuka tree plant, the Dipspermoscoparium, was known. No. From the earliest human habitation of New Zealand, by the Maori people. The Maori people. I was a bit early to it. A mosquito bite such as this would be a perfect test for the healing abilities they possess. Thank you for watching David Attenborough's Private Life of Plants.